Hello guys, nice to meet you all. So today episode will be different because it's related to detect the comspec from Impacket. Start from the how to check the log, upload the payload, capturing the payload for later analysis. So today will be different. So please make sure you watch this until it finish. On the graph that I show you right now, so Impacket SMB client or SMBExec, it will drop a bad file and then the connection will be established. It's also a little bit different with the PSExec. It will drop the executable file, execute the payload, delete the payload, and then the service or command that already be defined by the payload, it will be success. So how to detect this? The question is how to detect this. I already prepare my VM. Let me change the screen first. Voila. Okay. If we take a look at the event viewer, so if you want to open it, just press Windows R and then type event VWR. So it will be automatically open like this. Take a look at the timestamp. This is 10:49 p.m. So let me start to use the Impacket SMBExec. Let's assume the VM already compromised, the credential already compromised. So I got the password as an admin, and then let's check. So the connection is already established, and then as you can see, whoami is authority system. Let's take a look at the Windows event log. So at the specific event ID 7045, the log is generated as comspec and then echo whoami. As you can see on the output part, this is the bed that dropped by the Impacket and then delete it in here. So we cannot see what is inside the .bat file, right? Okay, we will discuss later after we going through. So on the security event log, as you can see, the specific 514T, this is the connection is already used as a C. I use the C folder. That's the difference. So let me stop it and I will use the Impacket SMB client. So as you can see, the same one, but the difference is, what is the difference? Let's take a look back at the system. Pay attention again. This is the from the Impacket SMBExec, a different with the SMB client. The SMB client will be generated at the security. Take a look at the timestamp. So SMB client will already use and connection is established, and if I run this command use C, it means I will use the C folder. So let's refresh it. Take a look. It's same in here. So now I want to put my own payload in here. Let's see what happened. I will put it on the Windows /stem, and then let's take a look the name of the file. I will try to open the test detect first. So this first payload is only for lab, yeah, only for studies purposes. So I will try to create a text with the content this is detection. So let's put it into the temp file. Put detection / test detect .ps1. Okay, this is main already put on the C Windows temp. Let's take a look. Yeah, there you go. This is the test detect. So I want to run it from the my Kali, but I want to immediately delete the file. So let's try to run. This is one liner. So after I run the payload that I already dropped, and then I want to remove it. So let's see if the content inside is already captured by the Windows. Let's check. Run it. Okay, the service is already running. So let's check. Yeah, there you go. So it should be a test detection file in here, yeah, but the file is already missing, right? So let's check at the system first. Let's see, is there any detection from the Windows? As you can see, this is only from the PSExec security. No, we don't have any. Let's check the application. No, the timestamp is different. So let's go to the PowerShell. Yep, in here, the file is detected. The name of the file is detected, but what is the content inside from the victim perspective? We don't know, right? So right now I will create a script to monitor the file that has been executed on the temp. So I will capture the dropper file that already been set on the temp in here. So it will monitor all the file that drop in here will be right into the dropper. So let's try to run it. Kill it first. Okay. Yeah. So I will try to run the detect dropper that I mentioned before. So let's running in the background. Okay, now the process is running. So let's check on the dropper file. So as you can see, it's still empty. Yeah. So let's try to re-upload from SMB client. Okay. Now the file is running, uploaded. So let's run it and delete it. Yeah. So let's take back voila. The file is already been detected. So if as you can see in here, the file, the content or the payload inside the XMB that I run is exposed. So I know what is the payload. So we will use it for later analysis. Now, what about the bad detection? Why the bad file is not detected? Why is not? So I create also the file in here, the bad detection. So it will capture the bad file that already been running from the Impacket and then write it into this pad. So let's run this. Let's run bad detection. Okay, let's make sure. Let's make sure this is running. Task list, find str PowerShell. Okay, yeah, that's running. So let's see, or let me run it on again. I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, there you go. So it's running, yeah. So let's retry to upload it, and then let's see is it captured or no. And then I will try to upload a different payload that running some WMI net user for enumeration also. So let back to use C and then cd windows / temp and then put detection, then different What is this? Spam cmd.ps1. Okay, now let's run the PSExec. Let's see. Voila. So the command is already successfully executed. And then let's see back into the Windows. Is it dropped or no? Yep.
Nice.
Is it captured, guys? This is nice. Okay, now let's see for the bed file. I will stop it and using SMBExec. Who am I? And then net user, whatever it is. Get back to Windows and then voila. The bed file is captured by the PowerShell script. So if we want to check, there you go. This is the content that inside the bed file. Okay, check again. Net user is also captured, and then the bed file is also captured. So
nice.
It's a nice thing, right? Yeah, I think that's all, guys, for today. So if you want the script, please put your comment below. So I think I will give you if the audience or you guys want to know what is the script content for capture it. Please subscribe me, support me, and then put your comment if you have anything to add. Thank you for watching and bye bye.